Visualizing solid shapes.
Introduction. In this chapter we learn about solid-shaped figures. Anything that occupies space and has three dimensions as length, breadth and height, depth, is called a solid or a three-dimensional figure. Study the given example. A tent, a cone surmounted on a cylinder. A tin, a cylindrical shell. Softy, ice cream, a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. A photo frame, a rectangular path. A bowl, a hemispherical shell. Tomb on a pillar cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere. Views of 3D shapes. You have learnt that a three-dimensional object can look differently from different positions, so they can be drawn from different perspectives. Study the given example. A given hut can have the following views. Front view. Side view. Top view.
Polyhedra.
Faces, vertices and edges of a three-dimensional figure are part of a solids. Faces. Each flat part of a solid is called its face. Vertices. Each corner where three faces of a solid meet is called its vertex. The plural of vertex is vertices. Edges. The two faces of a solid meet in a line, called an edge. Cuboid. A solid bounded by 6 rectangular plane faces is called a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. B. A cuboid has 8 vertices. C. A cuboid has 12 edges. Study the given example. A box, a matchbox, a book, a brick, a tile, etc. Cube. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal is called a cube. A cube has 6 faces. B. A cube has 8 vertices. C. A cube has 12 edges. Study the given example. Dice, sugar cubes, ice cubes, etc. Triangular prism. A triangular prism is made up 2 parallel end faces, each one of which is a triangle, and 3 lateral faces, each one of which is a rectangle. A triangular prism has 2 triangular faces and 3 rectangular faces. B. A triangular prism has 6 vertices. C. A triangular prism has 9 edges. Study the given example. Triangular prism. A cuboid is also called rectangular prism. Pyramid. Pyramid is a solid whose base is a plane rectilinear figure and whose side faces are triangles having a common vertex, called the vertex of the pyramid. 1. Square pyramid. It is a solid whose base is a square and whose side faces are triangles having a common vertex. A A square pyramid has 5 faces, one of which is a square face and the rest 4 are triangular faces. B. A square pyramid has 5 vertices. C. A square pyramid has 8 edges. Rectangular pyramid. It is a solid whose base is a rectangle and whose side faces are triangles having a common vertex. A. It has one rectangular face. B. It has 5 vertices. C. It has 8 edges. Triangular pyramid. It is a solid whose base is a triangle and whose side faces are triangles having a common vertex. A. It has 4 triangular faces. B. It has 4 vertices. C. It has 6 edges.
Pentagonal pyramid. 6 faces, 6 vertices and 10 edges. Hexagonal pyramid. 7 faces, 7 vertices and 12 edges. Euler's formula.
Leonhard Euler was a famous mathematician who discovered this rule called Euler's rule about solids. It is stated as number of faces plus number of vertices equals to number of edges plus 2. That is F plus V equals to E plus 2. This relationship is called Euler's formula. Study the given example.